Did you know that there are more pay grades than GS and GG? Well, there are FWS, WS, WG, as well as GS and GG. While the pay rates are the same with GS and GG, and both employ federal workers on a temporary and permanent basis, and both base their pay on levels and steps as well as location. That then should cover it. But no, you may wonder, what's the need for all these other pay grades? The U.S. government is responding to the changing economy's demands that embrace a mix of technical skills as well as soft skills. Technical skills are those critical to innovation and growing the technology around the world, while soft skills play a critical part in management and interpersonal and intrapersonal relationships. It's important that the federal government take into consideration the many factors and changes in order to be competitive, to be strong. And for that reason, the various pay scales were created to adapt to the changes in the economy, and likewise allow the government to become a significant role player in acquiring and retaining the skills, the talents, people like you, smart people that provide and drive our economy. The great news is that if you watch this video, and I encourage you to do so, but later, you'll see that once education was a primary indicator on your ability to tell where you could fit in and see yourself as a strong candidate for a position at a higher pay grade. Well, not so much anymore. So watch it next, and I'll remind you later. Today, we're going to take a deeper dive into the additional pay grades such as FWS, VN, WS, WG, as well as GS and GG, which we've also covered. My advice would be to watch those videos. Heck, there are more than 100 videos here at Easy Federal Resumes and More. Watch them all. But seriously, both the prior video and this video is one that will definitely help you better understand and be smart. Have that muscle when it comes to knowing which pay grade you best fit in at. Positions within the federal government are classified by the occupational series, the grade or pay level, and the pay plan. Pay plans identify the pay system under which the position is covered. Using their words, not mine, because it's a rather antiquated term. It's definitely not woke. The white-collar employees are paid under a GS schedule, which is regulated by Title V administration for the Office of Personnel Management, while GS are blue-collar positions and are paid annual salaries. Blue-collar employees are paid under the FW, Federal Wage System, FWS. FWS positions are crafts, trades, laboring positions, and they include several different pay plans. Now, it's easy to be tongue-tied. Those pay plans are WS, WG, WL, etc. All are under FWS, and they are paid on an hourly basis. But did you know that there are some agencies such as the Veterans Administration and the Department of Defense who have GS positions of their own in their pay system, but also they have positions that are under VN, which are typically nurses' positions. Likewise, the Department of Defense, who I work for, has positions that are classified under the National Security Personnel System, NPS. These agencies, as I mentioned, the Veterans Administration as well as the Department of Defense, are examples of statutory authority administrations where they can authorize their own system where needed. I'll put a link for you below in the description so that you can find the latest pay scale that may apply to you. When you apply for a position, you are able to readily see what pay scale is being used to determine the wage for the position for which you're applying. Now, I here simply typed in manager, and as you can see, several different positions pop up under manager. Notice that they come under a variety of departments and pay scales, which are identified. Oh, you see right there, direct hire? Well, where have we talked about that before? As you know, you can negotiate, smart people, your pay rate, but it is not likely to negotiate your pay grade. But what I'm telling you to do is, as I told you before, there's no harm in asking. And while you're at it, request additional leave time. My philosophy is it's better for you to ask than to not. Ask and you shall receive. So here's why I ask you to please hit that like. It helps the algorithm know that I'm reaching you. Let's remember in our hearts and on our prayers, everyone deployed. RED. That's what this shirt stands for. Continue to keep our men and women in harm's way in your thoughts and in your prayers. But as for you, you're safe. You're here with me, Lisa, in good hands. My channel is created as a tool in your kit, and it's free. It's easier here at Easy Federal Resumes and More because I'm here with you in mind. Until next time, bye for now.